In every lifetime, I know I must have chosen you. There has simply not been enough time in this one for you to know me so deeply and appreciate the subtleties of my soul as you do. When I feel overwhelmed or scared or isolated, the abyss that stretches out before me no longer draws me in. Instead, a gentle hand pulls me back from the edge. You observe, you support, you dote. Even in moments in which I feel I do not understand myself, you understand me.
Hi, baby. I'm so excited to see you too. Hi.
I'm not gonna make it.
In a world full of billions of people, we found each other. You will always be my greatest stroke of luck, because I can't think of a greater privilege than sharing the rest of my life with you.
For the last 12 years, Kenji and I have had the privilege of knowing Austin. He came into our lives individually, showing us what authentic and unconditional friendship looks like. He stood by us as we navigated heartbreak, loss, and all of the strange, uncertain moments that come with the transition into adulthood. His steady presence, his quiet strength, gave us the feeling that we are never alone, and we'll always have at least one person in our corner.
Everybody, new requirement to be my friend. You must be pretty.
Our bond with Austin is unbreakable. We experienced some of the most challenging times of our lives together. When within months of each other, we both lost our fathers, we shared moments where the three of us would hug and cry, not knowing how we would move forward, but that we'd move forward together. Austin, we've been through it. But the vulnerability that we've shared will impact me for the rest of my life, and I truly thank you for it.
You gained a special place in my heart. When I witnessed how tender and supportive you were during the difficult time of their dad's passing, I knew that Austin had found a wonderful partner to go through life with. And I'm so pleased he figured it out too. I know that I speak for your dad also when I say that I am overjoyed that you have found each other and made the commitment together to weather all that life brings. May you always find reasons to laugh together, even when it's tough. And may your biggest arguments be about who loves who more.
God, you're pretty.
You're so handsome.
I love you so much.
I love you more.
I love you most.
Oh, darn, you win.
I guess I win the first time.
This time. Say,
I love you, always, forever, near and far, closer together and everywhere. I will be for you, everything. I will be for you. Say you love me forever, never stop.
I'm excited to see you.
I'm so excited to see you too.
I'm not gonna make it.
You're so pretty. You're so
look
beautiful.
so good.
Can you spin? No, you can't.
No, I can't. There's so much in me. Can you spin?
Yeah, I can
Can I
spin.
see all
That's
of
easy.
you?
That's easy. Yeah, of course.
Oh my God, you look so good.
You look so
You're
good.
so handsome.
You're so beautiful. I can't kiss you yet.
No, I got lip gloss on.
Oh, wow. This is so pretty.
It's gonna be all zhuzhed
No,
out.
I know, but still, this is really pretty.
Isn't it?
Oh, and it's so you.
And Dad picked it out.
Your dad picked it out,
I
really?
know, I'm a mess.
Oh, this is a really pretty necklace.
Auntie Sherry's.
Oh, it's Eddie Sherry's?
And so are the earrings and the bracelets, because of course this is Auntie Sherry's.
One little just get the back of the necklace back there for you. You're so
You
pretty.
look so handsome. I'm gonna marry you.
Yeah, we just get married now.
When Tamara and Austin went on that first date in 2016, they had an audience of one. I watched as Tamara headed outside for a much anticipated date after months of watching them circle each other. As Tamara walked out to meet him by the car, I could see what she could not. Austin had some flowers behind his back.
Your hair looks so nice. God, I'm lucky.
But it's wild, the feeling that I had when I watched that, because even then, I knew. I just knew, and I have been a staunch Team Austin supporter ever since.
This is where I get a bit nerdy. One shared interest of ours is Lord of the Rings. In Lord of the Rings, there's a character named Galadriel, for those who don't know. And she's considered the most beautiful and powerful elf in Middle-earth. Her beauty is described as being both captivating and awe-inspiring. But compared to you, she is nothing but a lone candle in the dark, while you are the brilliant glow of the sun, dwarfing all other sources of light. Galadriel is a fictional character, but you are real, and I am so lucky to be able to bask in your beauty every day.
These are the hands that will help hold your family as one. These are the hands that will give you strength when you need it. And lastly, these are the hands that, when even wrinkled and aged, will still be reaching for each other, still giving you the same unspoken tenderness with just a touch. It is with great pleasure that I pronounce, by the authority vested in me and in accordance with the laws of the universe, that Austin and Tamara are now husband and wife. You may kiss your bride. Take me home. Don't let go. There ain't no. Let's let go. Take me home. I'm holding on to you. There ain't no love like our love. There ain't no. Follow us to the party. Love like our
I'm allowed to kiss you now.
Yeah,
You're my
all
wife.
you want. You're my husband. I'm gonna kiss you all I want.
Exactly.
As the older sibling, it's been my honor and privilege to watch her grow. I truly feel the greatest gift my parents gave me was becoming a big sister. This job has not stopped, and in fact will not stop.
Yeah, come stand with us. Oh my god. That's not water.
My advice to them is to continue to listen to one another and embrace the wonderful qualities that each of them brings to their relationship. I know that Tamara and Austin are well suited to support and nurture one another in all that their life together can mean and accomplish.
To all of you! We always wanted to have a big wedding with all our important people around us. Our final toast of the evening, if you could please raise your glass to yourselves. Thank you for coming to celebrate with us, and thank you for being the best loved ones we could have ever asked for. Cheers.
Don't let go. There ain't no less like God.
In every lifetime hereafter, I will choose you. I will choose to stand by your side. My love is just getting started.
Love like our love.
I'm
27 years old. I have no money and no prospects. I am already a burden to my parents, and I'm frightened. So don't you judge me.
Don't you dare judge me, Lizzie. Don't you dare judge me.
Don't you dare judge me.
No, it's so good.